Hello again and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about adverbs. So far we have talked about nouns, pronouns, verbs, adjectives. Today we are doing adverbs. If you are seeing me for the first time, just know that I'm also learning English. So I'm just going to go ahead and use my iPad to read to you what I found about adverbs. Hopefully after this video you get some clarity about adverbs. First of all, let me go ahead and read to you the definition of adverbs. What is adverb? An adverb is a word that gives us more information about an action. It tells us how, when, where, or how often something happens. That's the base. Let's see the simple examples. For example, she runs quickly. Quickly is adverb. He spoke clearly. Clearly is an adverb. They always arrive on time. Always is an adverb. Without adverbs, sentences feel very basic. With adverbs, English feels clearer and more natural. Let's see how adverbs works. A verb shows the action. An adverb tells us more. An adverb tells us more about that action. So if I say, she runs, that sentence is complete. But if I say, she runs quickly, now we understand the actions better. Adverbs can describe more. Adverbs can also describe adjectives or other adverbs. For example, it is very hot. He spoke too softly. About ly adverbs. You might notice that many adverbs end in ly. Examples like slowly, quickly, happily. Some common adverbs are very, well, never, here, fast. So instead of focusing on spelling, it helps to notice how the word is used. Adding just one adverb can change a sentence. Let's see how. She sings. She sings beautifully. Notice that it's a small change, but it sounds more natural. Learning adverbs in groups. You can also learn adverbs by grouping them. For example, time, now, little, place, here, nearby, frequency, always, sometimes. This makes them easier to remember. Simple practice. Let's see this. Keep practice simple. Choose one adverb and use it a few times during the day. So it says here, you don't need to overthink it. Small steps really add up. Now let me go ahead and read to you the affirmations as always. I am improving my English step by step. I can use adverbs naturally. I feel more confident speaking in English. Okay, that's it for this video. All I can say is keep practicing because these are just the basics. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you guys in my next video.